what's up, everyone? It's Alex of Prestige Worldwide Cards, pwwcards.com. We are here with another break, a 5-box Contenders Optic TMall version break going down on Sunday, April 10th at 9 p.m. Eastern Time. Oh, I'm sorry, 9 p.m. Central Time. And we've got it ready to go, so we're going to go ahead and open this up and see what we got. It's a pretty quick break, only 6 cards in a box, so it's really quick and easy. Should be over soon, and we'll see some pretty awesome stuff. Really like this product. Always just it's like if we hit one of these guys, it's going to be a massive card. So it's like really exciting to do this every night. I really enjoy this. So anyways, let's go ahead and see what it is. Good luck, everybody. I really hope we pull something awesome tonight. I feel like we're going to. I think we're going to pull something really sweet. Contenders Optic TMall. 1 pack of cards per box. Here we go. Gold. All right, let's do this first. Nikola Jokic for the Denver Nuggets. That is a Superstars insert, die cut insert. Jayshawn Tate. Jason Tatum. DeAndre Ayton, and a Trae Young gold. Now that's not bad. Nice vet, having a great season. Trae Young gold, TMall parallel, and a Tyler Hero. Tyler Hero is our first TMall Panini Asia exclusive red wave parallel. We got 1 gold and 1 red in that box. Cole Anthony, Uniformity, Magic. Malachi Flynn for the Toronto Raptors. CJ McCollum for the Portland. Darius Garland for Cleveland. And a Paul George for the Clippers. Red Wave. And a Demonis Sabonis for the Pacers. Indiana's Jason L. There you go. Kyra Lewis, RJ Hampton, Donovan Mitchell, RJ Barrett, and a Carmelo Anthony. Portland. And a DeAndre Ayton going out to the Phoenix Suns. That would be Eugene S. All right, let's keep going. Ja Morant, Sweet Shots. That's cool. Very nice card. Kenyon Martin, Markelle Fultz, Gordon Hayward, and a Kemba Walker. Very nice. For Boston. Alan M. gets that one. And then we have a DeAndre Hunter going out to the Atlanta Hawks. Brian M. Nice. Gino. DeAndre Hunter. All right, last box. Here we go. Gold Wave and some sort of just an autograph. It is an autograph. Malachi Flynn is our rookie Red Wave autograph going out to the Toronto Raptors. Congratulations, Toronto. Hilner A gets that one. Malachi Flynn. It's not numbered. Very cool. And we have Russell Westbrook, De'Aaron Fox, and a Carmelo Anthony. Portland, Jason L. Gold Wave. Then we have a Terrence Ross going into the Orlando Magic. Daniel R. gets that one. And then Peyton Pritchard. That's going to do it. Only one autograph. I think there's only one autograph in each case. And then all the parallels and everything as well. So good luck, or thanks everyone for getting in on that break. We'll get everything packed up and shipped out to you. Thanks again. Like I said, quick break, already done. Look at that. Pretty quick. Thanks again.